Hello, I'm Agastya Das.
And I'm Kristen Lin, and this is our final database design project, ClassTrack.
ClassTrack is a website used to read and write reviews for professors and courses. This is our logical schema. Its basic entities are professor, course, semester, student, and abilities, where course by professor is a course taught by a professor in a specific semester. A student course represents a student taking a course by professor, and a review stores student reviews by using student course ID as a foreign key to limit students to courses they have taken already. It references abilities for strengths and weaknesses. In student likes review, other students can read reviews and like them. If a like is inserted, we made a trigger to increment the likes in the review table.
And now for the architecture of our application. We used Python Flask to create our application. So in app.py, we've defined all of our routes and used functions that we defined in database.py to access our database. We used PyMySQL to call functions and procedures defined in our database.
Now I'm going to give you a quick overview of our user functionality. This is our login page. You can just use an NUID. As this is an also incremented int, it can be something like 8. All of our passwords are just password with the NUID at the end. So in this case, password 8. With this icon, you can see the account page, which lists the person's name, NUID, and lets them change their password and log out. In this page, you can write reviews if you haven't done so already, or edit reviews that you have written already. In this page, you can search for courses and professors by using different combinations of these three fields. Right now I'm going to look up CS 1800, and it should list all CS 1800s taught by all professors. You can click on this to get further info and actually read the reviews and like them.
Now I'm going to demonstrate two of the CRUD operations, create and update, for reviews. So here we can see that I haven't written a review yet for discrete structures, and if I click on write review and look in the URL, the student course ID for this review is 23. In our reviews table, we can see that there does not yet exist a student course ID 23, meaning I haven't written a review yet for that course. So the code that we use to insert a review is this procedure right here, called insert review. And if I go back onto the site and write a review for this course, and submit, we can see that in the database, if I select all from review again, there's now a review for student course 23, and it has my comment, really great class. Now, if I were to edit that review, I would call the procedure edit review, which is right here. It basically does an update and inserts all the fields once again. So back over here on the site, if I click edit review and modify this rating to 9.6 and really great class, happy face, and save that, if I go back into the database and select all from review, we can see that my review is now modified to 9.6 with really great class.
So I'm going to demonstrate our remaining two CRUD operations, read and delete. In this tab, I'm logged in as user 2, and I'm going to use Bean Heskat's discrete structures class as an example. If we go here, then we can see all reviews for all semesters. This is one of our procedures called Get Reviews for Course, which takes in a student's NUID, a course ID, a professor ID, and a semester ID. If a semester ID is null, then we return all the reviews for all of these three fields. If I run this to begin with, for Bean Heskat's class of discrete, I can see all of these reviews. If I hop over here, these reviews match exactly. This is an example of our delete operation. Let's take a look in our student likes review table, which contains all relations for students liking reviews. As we can see, a student with NUID 2 has liked a review with review ID 4. Let's now remove this like and run this query again. As you can see, that student likes review relationship has been deleted.
That's all. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.